Let me guess, you just wrapped up a sales call, it went well, at least you think it did, you remember a few key points, you think they mentioned a competitor, you think budget sounded promising, but now it's 4:30 p.m., your notes are messy, and CRM updates feel like a chore. But what if I told you your team's meeting already knows all of that, and Copilot can turn it into actual sales intelligence in about 10 seconds? Let's talk about Alex. Alex is an account executive running 6 to 8 teams meetings a day. Discovery calls, demos, follow-ups. Every call has valuable insights. Who the real decision maker is, which competitors came up, whether the deal feels real or is it at risk. But those insights usually live in Alex's head and disappear by the next meeting. That's the gap we're fixing today. Most people think Copilot just gives you AI summarized meeting notes, but the real power is this: custom meeting summaries with your own prompt. So instead of "here what was discussed" as a high-level summary, you can say, "analyze this meeting like a sales leader would." So stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Teams to generate top sales insights, company profile details, competitors mentioned, and a confidence-based win rate, all from a single Teams meeting using a reusable custom prompt. Okay guys, before we get into the custom prompts, just a quick refresher here. With Teams Premium or with Microsoft 365 Copilot, you get access to this AI summarization feature, which has been really cool. I think one of the most popular features with either Teams Premium or with Copilot here. But if the meeting is recorded and transcribed, you'll be able to click on this View Recap button here. And this goes ahead and gives you a lot of great insights around just kind of the summarization of the meeting with follow-up tasks. So it's a very basic template that they use for every meeting. And it's been really nice. Don't get me wrong. I'm not knocking it in any way. But you certainly had things that you would want to say, I would wish we could extract that from every particular call or these particular items as part of this. One of the other features I really love is just understanding like how much time you were talking. This call looks like I was filibustering the entire first half of it. So it's really good insight, especially on sales calls, to understand, the actual talk time, and if you're actually giving the customer prospect in this particular case time to speak and answer discovery questions, things like that. But again, if we take a look at the summarization here, this is really nice. It's a nice summarization. You can click into it to see more of the details as part of that, and it gives us some follow-up tasks, which has been helpful to understand. But as a sales rep, you would want to have, in my opinion, a lot more metadata that talks about this particular deal, this particular prospect, that you can put into your CRM, but also understand and pull out all the insights that you would want to have to drive the deal forward. So if I go into custom summary here, and obviously just if we zoom out, the custom summary can be used for any type of template that you guys want to use, not just the sales context, but I wanted this to be a focus area just so you can see the power of what this is capable of doing. Within here, so I can create a template, and this will pop out this summary format where you can paste or type in a prompt that you're looking to do here for this. I put together this really basic prompt, and we'll see some variations here that I'll show you of how it outputs this, but basically just said, hey, you're a sales leader, you're looking to get expert insights from the call, you want to pull out details on, and then I gave it a comma separated list, and it automatically go to format those into sections. But it's basically top insights, company profile, competitors mentioned, risk and objections, and the win rate, which is, and I put in parentheses here, a confidence score based off signals, not vibes for this. So for the win rate, we want to outline what the rep needs to do to get the call closed and potential risk for the deal being lost. So you click on preview here, and this will go ahead and generate this insight for us. And I'm going to gray out some of these things just for sensitivity of the data of this call. But this is giving me a lot of the top insights, just kind of that basic summarization again, because I still would want that, like what was discussed, the top level insights of the call. But then if we get into the company profile info here, this is where it gets really interesting, because we pulled out a lot of this metadata that we can use to basically create profile data in our CRM for the customer that we might want to have. And this could be around, in our case, the clients that they handle, the types of licensing that they procure, what tools they're using, where they're based geographically as part of that. And then if I scroll down even further, they mentioned competitors, right, as an example here. And this is where you might want to tweak this and give it, a pretty beefy prompt so that it doesn't create false positives. Because in this case, it created a couple of false positives that we wouldn't say in this case as competitors in this nature, but I could definitely, articulate that better in a custom prompt. And then the risk and objections here is really highlighting a lot of the concerns potentially brought up on the call, which I think is really great here. So you can address those up front, even in a follow-up email. And then the win rate and closing plan here is also very good. I think you could even have its own prompt to tweak this even further. And it's telling, hey, this is what you need to do to close this deal. And then again, these are the risks that you need to address up front and get ahead of as part of that follow-up. So it's a really great template here. And again, you could customize this so much better than I just did here as a basic template, specific to your organization, specific to your product, or specific to your sales cycle, right, as an example. So now if I copy and paste in a more detailed prompt here, after that, I can click on preview and it's going to generate this template preview. But I basically give it some more structure here as far as what we would want to see. I included some specifics around the company profile info, and then I gave it some more direction as far as what they were mentioning here. So I can see here, even, team size, it specifically calls out team location, team size, user customers under management. So it's been really good job here, actually, of mapping exactly what I'm mentioning here. And so you could really structure that. And even with the competitors mentioned, I said, make sure you focus on the competitors they mentioned directly to Cloud Capsule, not tools they use internally. And it even talked about internal tool references, right? So it did pull in that context, and then it gave in our risk objections and the win rate again here. And I told it to keep it more concise, but you should be more pessimistic here. And so this technically took away our actual numerical value, right, that we saw in that previous prompt. And so I want to have that back, but this is where you need to go back through and do some tweaking. And then if we zoom out again, this is where you would also want to try out this template on probably like 5 to 10 different sales calls and see if you get consistency across them, or if there's gaps that you didn't identify that you want to keep modifying and adding to the prompt. So when you're done here, you can go ahead and click on Save and Apply, and we'll call this, Sales Discovery, and we'll click on Save here. And so now this adds this here as this tab for us within this area, and we can use this now on any future meeting. Now, if you revisit our friendly sales rep, Alex, instead of taking 20 minutes to write notes after the meeting, Alex drops the summary that we just created automatically with Copilot into his CRM, sends a sharper follow-up email to that prospect, and walks into his next meeting prepared. That's not just productivity, that's leverage. If you're already using Microsoft Teams and 365 Copilot, this feature is available for you to use today, so be sure to check that out. I'll link my blog in the description of this video, and that will have the exact prompt I leverage as well too. But again, as I showed, you could definitely modify it, make it even better for your organization. That's all I had for you guys today. I'll see you guys next week.